In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to contact Etsy customer service in 2025. Whether you're a buyer experiencing issues or a seller navigating queries, it's important to know how to get the assistance you need. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Etsy's official website. Make sure you're on the authentic Etsy page. You could simply type Etsy into your search bar and it should be the first result that pops up. Once you're at the home page, take a moment to absorb what's on your screen. You'll see a range of options and categories that make Etsy such a beloved platform for unique handmade or vintage gifts. Now, we'll want to focus on reaching the Help Center. Look for the links usually located at the bottom of the page. The Help Center is your go-to place for any kind of assistance on Etsy. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page dedicated to helping users with various issues, from account problems to order inquiries. Once you've arrived at the Help Center, your next step is to locate and click on the link that says Contact Etsy Support. This is usually well tagged or might be highlighted to catch your eye quickly. Clicking on it should guide you to a section where you can choose what kind of help you require. Here comes an important part: choosing your topic. Etsy has streamlined several common issues to help you find specific assistance quickly. You'll see options like account help, orders, shipping, and more. Selecting a topic closely related to your issue will help Etsy system guide you better. After you've picked your topic, a new set of options will appear. These are more specific issues. Think of them as subcategories, allowing you to narrow down the exact nature of your problem or question. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your scenario. Now, if you still haven't found a solution to your problem, you might notice an option that says, "I still need help." This is an indicator that Etsy offers further assistance beyond basic FAQs. Clicking this option is essential if previous steps haven't resolved your issue. Finally, we arrive at the last step. You'll see an email button which you should click. This option lets you directly get in touch with Etsy's customer service team by drafting an email that outlines your issue in detail. Make sure to be clear and concise about your query to expedite a helpful response. And that's it. These steps are straightforward and ensure that you know exactly how to reach out to Etsy's customer service whenever you face an issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give yourself a pat on the back for taking the time to learn something new. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Happy Etsy shopping!